Switching from realme to iPhone? Don't lose your songs. Here's how to move all your music easily. Way 1. Transfer songs from realme to iPhone with iTunes. Install iTunes. Copy music from realme to PC. Connect iPhone. Open iTunes. Trust device. Go to Music. Select Sync Music. Choose Songs. Click Apply to transfer. Way 2. Transfer music from realme to iPhone with phone transfer. Steps to transfer music from realme to iPhone using phone transfer. Step 1. Connect your realme phone and iPhone to the computer with USB cables. Open phone transfer and it will detect both devices automatically. Step 2. Click the drop-down option in the upper navigation and select the realme phone as the source device. On your realme device, go to the Music section and choose the songs you want to transfer. Step 3. Click Export to Device and select your iPhone as the destination. The software will start transferring the music to your iPhone. Way 2. Copy music from realme to iPhone via Google Drive. On your realme phone, open Google Drive, tap plus, and select Upload to add your music. On your iPhone, open Google Drive, sign in, go to Recent, tap the 3 dots next to a track, and hit Download. Way 4. Transfer music from realme to iPhone using Music Streaming app. Way 5. Move music from realme to iPhone via SHAREit. Install SHAREit on both phones. On Android, open app Send Music Pick Song Send. On iPhone, open app Receive.